Have you ever been paralyzed by overanalyzing where to invest in real estate? When buying an investment property, one of the most important you have to consider is locations. So here is my tip on how to help you narrow down an investment locations. Hi there, my name is Sui, your local go-to Bay Area realtor. With every property has two potential that you have to analyze. Number one is its cash flow ability, and second is its appreciation value. So the question really is, what's more important to you? Are you looking for an investment that had higher cash flow, or are you looking for an investment that had higher appreciation percentage? And usually the higher price property will normally have a higher appreciation rate and will have a lower cash flow. And property that will appreciate less will usually bring in more cash flow. So you have to figure out what's more important to you. Is it cash flow or is it appreciation? And appreciation is a long-term game. This is where you can, in the future, pull equity and cash out of that property to either invest in more property and grow your portfolio or do whatever you want with that money. And once you choose your priority, cash flow versus appreciation, that will really help you narrow down the location to where or even the neighborhood that you should focus on and search for that investment property. Thanks for watching and see you next time.